Hello, welcome to my channel, and I will show you how to reset your phone to factory settings and how to do hard reset. Simply go to settings, and now when you are in settings menu, scroll down until you see about phone. When you are in this menu, scroll down, and on the bottom you will see reset. Okay, tap on it. Now the phone asks you what type of reset do you want, to reset all settings to default or to do factory reset and to back up your phone to factory reset or to do hard reset. I want to erase all data from my phone, so I will choose factory data reset. Okay, the phone asks us again, do you want to reset all settings, and also warn us that the follow which apps will be uninstalled. Okay, if we want to do it, just tape this date again, this tab again, and finally, if you agree now to do factory reset, only the last question before erasing date is here, factory data reset, delete all. When you click delete all date will be erased. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If it was useful for you, please like it, share it, and of course leave me the comment in the comment section below. It means a lot to me.